Welcome to Through Olive, the company that successfully operates in the sector of packaging and trade of Greek olive oil since 1985. Through this video we will have the chance to see our modern facilities and a part of the productive procedure. At this point, we're in the production zone. Once olive oil's filtration is completed, the packaging process for the final product begins. Through this stage, we fully have control of all the procedure. From the filling, nitrogen addition, capping, metal detector, labeling, automatic weighting until the final placement on the pallet. People who have set up this company embrace and celebrate the benefits of olive oil to human health, and they have made it their goal to share this knowledge with the world so that as many people as possible will benefit from it. Our skills are unique not only in cropping the olive fruit, but also in cultivating the trees, processing the fruit and cold pressing. The company staff will be happy to inform you about our finest products, which they too have come to know and appreciate while working here. By sharing these few things about us, we hope that you will taste our olive oil products, feeling certain about their unique value and quality. And why not, in time, our company logo may become one of your household standards.